Hey everyone, this is Kalahale Benz from Destination Thrills, and I'm here with my reaction to the POV released today for Hakugei. As you know, the park opened the roller coaster today, and it looks amazing. I know a lot of YouTubers have been bashing this ride because people have overhyped it to be better than Steel Vengeance, but even if it's not better than Steel Vengeance, it looks like an amazing roller coaster. So, of course, we have that pre-lift section. This is always a fun element to RMCs. I'm really glad they put that section in this coaster. I really wish that Nagashima Spa Land would have recorded a better POV. It's such a shame, but hopefully Coaster Force or Theme Park Review will put out a better POV later on. But anyway, as you can see, you climb up this really tall lift hill, and you get some really cool views up here. I really like that. I love when a coaster can give you some really good views of the landscape. And then you have this first drop, which looks incredible. And then you hit the double up section, and you know, people have been really bashing this coaster for having pacing issues, but I really think it's not going to matter. I still think you're going to get amazing airtime through this section. Then you hit the double down, and again, another fun element. I love RMCs that can produce great airtime, and Hakugei looks like it's going to do that. Now you have these really twisted areas and these sideways, almost like these sideways airtime hills. Those look pretty fun. Probably not super forceful, but they look really fun. Then you go into the 0G roll, and then another airtime moment, and you can just see these elements. What I love about it is that these elements are just back to back to back. I think of a coaster like Outlaw Run where the elements are really spread out. This is much different. This is, you go from one element to the next really quickly. So even if the pacing's slow, the transitions seem to be really quick, which is nice. And then after a few more airtime moments, you're back into the station. Overall, Hakugei looks like a good coaster. I hate to hear people bashing RMCs because we all know that RMCs, there's very few bad RMCs that have been created. And I would even say Joker, which a lot of people have ranked lower out of all the RMCs, is still high on everyone's list. So for people to bash this coaster, it just really surprises me because we know it's going to have good airtime. It's going to have some really interesting elements, and the inversions are going to be great. So either way, this is definitely on my bucket list for whenever I head over to Asia eventually, sometime hopefully in the near future, and I believe it should be on your bucket list too. So let me know what your thoughts of Hakugei are in the comments section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to see more theme park content. I'm Kalahale Benz. Have a good one, guys.